My name's Delia. I'm the chef and owner here at Maha restaurant. If you have to give a label, I suppose, modern Middle Eastern, but above that we try to say unrestricted Middle Eastern, because we're very lucky in Australia. We live with very little restriction, as opposed to some of the chefs and the cooks that I know abroad who live with so much restriction in their life. We're quite fortunate to live in a country where we can truly express ourselves. We're never complacent here, because this always has to be at the highest point for us. Maha East, which is probably what I wanted Maha to be 10 years ago. When I first sat down and decided to do Maha, I thought, okay, this can be just a small little meze bar, wine bar, 30, 40 seats. There's one stove, one chef, which is me, on the pans, cooking earthy, rustic, Middle Eastern, Mediterranean flavors. And then it blew out to this, which is a 120 seat dining room, 7 days a week, lunch and dinner, doing some serious covers. We've opened an offshoot called Biggie Smalls. It's a really cool New York style diner, serves a modern twist on kebabs, loaded fries and all that kind of stuff. So very different to what we do here, but still trying to make sure that the quality of everything that we serve is at a high level. We're not a traditional Middle Eastern restaurant, so we do need little hints throughout the decor, throughout the art, throughout the music, and throughout the food that keep reminding you where you are and what you're doing. Because if we didn't have those little nuances, we could be in any restaurant in Australia or the world. We do a play on a dish called kibbeh, which is a really old form of tartare, traditionally done with lamb. So what we've done is we've created it into almost like a snack, where instead of putting the cracked wheat in with the lamb, we make a beautiful little cracked wheat spiced little tart filling. It's only one mouthful, and for me it kind of sums up Middle Eastern food. It's all there, but it's nothing like you'll see in the Middle East. And that's where we get the opportunity to push things forward, because people may eat that in the Middle East and say, well, that's not the traditional dish, but here people don't know. They're just eating it for its purity and thinking, yeah, well, that's really tasty. And that's all we're about. I mean, there's beautiful things in all the menus, but the best thing about our menus here is that they evolve weekly. We sit down every week with our head chefs, talk about the menu, talk about produce. We're constantly out at the markets and working with growers, bringing back exciting things and say, okay, how can we adapt that into next week's menu? I'm lucky now that I'm in a position where I'm getting to do so many other things outside of just cooking. I get up in the morning, I'm excited by every day. There's some unbelievably difficult challenges that we face, in business, in the restaurant industry, but we take them in our stride, and we've got a great community of people around us that help us get there. Because we're all learning and we're all growing, but hopefully we're all learning and growing together. And I'm lucky that I've got a team that enables me to do what I need to do. I think in any restaurant it's more than what you build. I mean, you can get a great architect, you can get good interior designers, but beyond that, it's the soul that you create in the venue that makes it special.